Hi, today we'll see a short video on how to use tar. Alright, so in tar you can create an archive. Okay, you can list an archive without extracting them. You can extract an archive as well. Alright, so to create an archive, the command you will be giving are the switches you will be giving are -c for create an archive, and -f is to specify what is the output archive name is going to be. Then you will be giving in all the input file names. Alright, so let us see this one first. So for this I am going to archive all the pictures over here. Okay, so recently I took all these pictures. It's taking time to load. Right, so I took all these pictures and I am going to archive them together. So for that, okay, let us see the size of all of these. Okay, 3194, and let me pull out my handy dandy calculator and add in these value 31k94. okay, so equal to, it's 435. Let's see what tar does. Tar is not a compression tool, it will just archive them. Okay, for compression we need to add another switch, which I have just I'll mention it over here. So the command for creating an archive is tar -c for creating an archive, f for using the file name. Okay, so my first tar.tar is the extension which we need to give, and instead of keying in every single input like 1 disk, 2 disk, okay, we can actually do file globaling. So star isk.png, if you see, isk.png is the common parameter in everything. Alright, just hit on enter. So that's done. ll-h, so that you can read it in human readable format. Now you can see it is around 440k. Let me pull out the calculator once again. Here you can see it's 435 previously. The additional 5k came in because you need to separate out the files, right? It is not a compression tool, it is just a archiving tool. If we need compression, alright, I'll show you that command as well right now. tar -c, z for gzip compression, f, use this my first gzip tar file. So .tar, what am I going to compress? Again the same thing, all the images on the desktop, png, enter. So ll-h, you can clearly see that after using gzip I reduce around 15 kilobytes of data. Since my initial data are very small, you do not notice the compression ratio. If not, the compression ratio would really be good. Now to list a tar file, I am going to type tar -v for verbose, okay, f, and give the my first tar.tar. right, I'm missing something here. That should be, let me pull out, that should be t for listing. Alright, so given another switch of t, so here you can see those files being there. Alright, I can actually remove all the other images which I really do not require. rm star isk.png, okay, ll-h. So I just have my two zip files, tar files on my desktop. So I can try to unzip first one of them. So the command would be tar -x for extracting, f for using the file my first tar.tar. Right, hit on enter. So you saw that on the desktop it got populated. Okay, let us remove those images once again. Okay. And one more thing is that this should not be named just tar because we use gzip. We should rename it mv my first gzip dot tar to my first gzip dot tar dot gz. Okay, so that we can unzip it appropriately. So for unzipping it, the command is simple: tar hyphen x, z for using gzip, v for verbose, f for using this particular tar.gz file. Alright, hit on enter. There you have all your files. Alright, well, if you like the video, do comment it on it, and if you have any doubts, do comment on it. And I have launched my new website over here, wherein I have posted about Red Hat based operating systems, basics of Red Hat based operating systems. I hope you like this video. Thanks. Bye bye.